Plants are not only aesthetically pleasing, but also serve a variety of purposes, including warding off mosquitoes and flies. Mosquitoes and flies are not just a nuisance, but they can also carry harmful diseases. Mosquito repellent plants are a natural and effective way to keep these pests at bay. Here are some of the most effective plants that repel mosquitoes and flies. 1. Lavender. Lavender is a beautiful and fragrant plant that's known for its calming properties. It's also an effective mosquito repellent plant. The scent of lavender is pleasant to humans, but repels mosquitoes. You can plant lavender in your garden or keep it in a pot on your patio or balcony. 2. Citronella. Citronella is a well-known mosquito repellent plant that's often used in candles and sprays. The plant has a strong lemon scent that masks the scent of humans, making it difficult for mosquitoes to find you. You can plant citronella in your garden or keep it in a pot on your patio. 3. Basil. Basil is a popular herb that's used in many dishes. However, it's also an effective mosquito repellent plant. The scent of basil is unpleasant to mosquitoes, so they'll stay away. You can plant basil in your garden or keep it in a pot on your kitchen windowsill. 4. Peppermint. Peppermint is a refreshing herb that's often used in teas and desserts. It's also an effective mosquito repellent plant. The scent of peppermint is strong and overpowering to mosquitoes, so they'll stay away. You can plant peppermint in your garden or keep it in a pot on your patio. 5. Rosemary. Rosemary is a fragrant herb that's often used in cooking. It's also an effective mosquito repellent plant. The scent of rosemary is strong and unpleasant to mosquitoes, so they'll stay away. You can plant rosemary in your garden or keep it in a pot on your patio or balcony. 6. Mint. Mint is a versatile herb that can be used in a variety of dishes, but it can also be used to repel flies. The strong scent of mint is unpleasant to flies, and planting it around your home can help keep them away. You can also crush mint leaves and rub them on your skin to repel flies. 7. Marigold. Marigolds are a popular garden flower that can help repel flies. The strong scent of marigolds is unappealing to flies, and planting them around your home can deter them. Marigolds are also effective at repelling mosquitoes, making them a great addition to any garden. 8. Tansy. Tansy is an herb that's known for its insect-repelling properties. The strong scent of tansy is unpleasant to flies, making it an effective natural repellent. Plant tansy near doors and windows to keep flies from entering your home. As you can see, mosquito repellent plants are a great natural way to keep mosquitoes and flies away. They're easy to grow and maintain and can be used in a variety of ways to keep your home and garden mosquito-free. Here are a few ways to use mosquito repellent plants. 1. Planting in pots. Mosquito repellent plants can be planted in pots and placed around your home or garden. This is a great option if you have limited space or want to move the plants around as needed. Some popular mosquito repellent plants that can be grown in pots include citronella, lemongrass, lavender, and mint. When planting in pots, make sure to use a well-draining soil mix and water the plants regularly. Place the pots in areas where mosquitoes are most likely to be, such as near standing water or in shady areas. 2. Planting in the garden. Mosquito repellent plants can also be planted directly in the garden. This is a great option if you have a larger space and want to create a natural mosquito barrier. Some popular mosquito repellent plants that can be grown in the garden include marigolds, catnip, rosemary, and basil. When planting in the garden, make sure to choose a sunny location with well-draining soil. Water the plants regularly and keep them well mulched to retain moisture. 3. Crushing the leaves. Another way to use mosquito repellent plants is to crush the leaves and rub them on your skin. This releases the plant's natural oils, which repel mosquitoes and flies. Some popular plants that can be used in this way include lemon balm, sage, thyme, and eucalyptus. Make sure to test a small area of skin before applying the crushed leaves to your body, as some people may be allergic to certain plants. 4. Making essential oils. Mosquito repellent plants can also be used to make essential oils, which can be used in a variety of ways to repel mosquitoes and flies. To make essential oils, you'll need to harvest the plant's leaves and flowers and distill them using a still or a homemade distillation setup. Some popular plants that can be used to make essential oils include peppermint, cedarwood, geranium, and lemon eucalyptus. Essential oils can be used in diffusers, sprays, and candles to repel mosquitoes and flies. Make sure to follow proper safety precautions when using essential oils, as they can be harmful if not used correctly. It's also worth noting that some fruits and vegetables have mosquito-repelling properties and can be used as a natural mosquito repellent. Some of the most effective fruits and vegetables for repelling mosquitoes include garlic, onions, and lemongrass. Garlic has a strong odor that can repel mosquitoes. It can be eaten or used as a natural mosquito repellent. Onions have a pungent odor that can also repel mosquitoes. Lemongrass has a citrusy scent that can repel mosquitoes. Finally, vinegar is also a natural mosquito repellent that can be used in various ways. It can be used as a spray or added to bath water. Vinegar has a strong odor that can repel mosquitoes. To use it as a spray, add equal parts of apple cider vinegar and water in a spray bottle and spray it on areas where mosquitoes tend to hang out. In conclusion, incorporating mosquito repellent plants into your garden or home can be a natural and effective way to keep mosquitoes and flies away. These plants not only add beauty and fragrance to your surroundings, but also provide a natural barrier against these pesky insects. While there are many plants that have been claimed to repel mosquitoes and flies, it's important to note that not all of these claims are scientifically proven. However, some plants have been shown to contain certain compounds that can effectively repel these insects. Some of the most effective mosquito repellent plants include Citronella, catnip, lavender, and peppermint. These plants can be easily grown in pots or planted in your garden, and their oils can also be used in homemade repellent sprays. It's important to note that while these plants can help repel mosquitoes and flies, they may not completely eliminate them. It's still important to take other measures such as wearing protective clothing, using screens on windows and doors, and eliminating standing water where mosquitoes breed. Overall, incorporating mosquito repellent plants into your surroundings can be a natural and effective way to keep mosquitoes and flies away. I hope you've enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to Natural Health Remedies, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. And I'm sure you're going to enjoy our next video on how to get rid of household pests with apple cider vinegar. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.